Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia One Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So as you can see, I have both of them right here. So to begin, I'm just gonna lock the device and flip it over and pull off the cover. So you can grab by basically any corner and just pull off the back cover like so. Gonna place it, and as you can see, you have a place for the card right here, the memory card. So what you do is just place it like so and slide it in, and then both of the SIM trays work basically the same way. So you have a little gap here. What you want to do is put your finger in there, or fingernail, and pull on it, and you'll hear a little click, and then it kind of flops away like so. And now what you want to do is just place the SIM in there like so. As you can see, with the cutout located on the top right corner. Let me just holding it. So what you want to do now is just press the flap and pull it back in its place, and again you will hear a click, and now it's secure in there, it's not gonna fall out. And same thing goes with the other one. Do the basically same thing, just in the opposite direction. To unlock this one, you pull it basically like the same way you would lock the other one. So that is how you would put it in there. And now I'm not gonna put the cover back on, assuming I don't have to. Okay. And as you can see, there's the SD card, and SIM should be working as well. Let me just go into the settings. As you can see, there's the SIM that I put in. So both of them are working just fine. So that is how you would insert a SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.